Hey, what's up, Shiba Inu coin holder, my friend? In this time, the Shiba Inu price will increasing now, so I am so happy. I'm very excited, my friends. To Shiba Inu price will increasing now, and congratulations for all of you, my friends. To this time, the Shiba Inu price will starting move upward, plus 3.71%, my friend. The Shiba Inu price will increasing now, but definitely, my friends, Shiba Inu will also moving upward. But for some time, this coin were very badly falls down, so I will notify my friends to upcoming time. This is absolutely possible to they will give you a very good profit now, my friend. So Shiba Inu as one of the fastest and one of the oldest coin, my friend, in this time in the crypto market, but my friend will Elon Musk promote Shiba Inu coin, so definitely a holder are starting selling and definitely get a very good profits now. So please holder, my friends, don't take any risk without, my friend, formation. And this time if you Shiba Inu coin holder, if you starting selling, so definitely you are in the loss. But if you are hold in upcoming time, my friend, you just check out now. So therefore in upcoming days, I hope, my friends, to you the Shiba Inu price will more increasing, the price will going to be double now. So absolutely, my friends, you are be ready now. So my friends, Shiba Inu price increasing hour by hour, but please holder, you will also need, my friends, to do something now. Thanks for watching Shiba Inu coin holder. My prediction is totally going to be positive now. So please hold now. Allah Hafiz, take care, and see you next time.